Did you know 1.2 billion people use crypto today, but 9 out of 10 have no clue how it actually works? Crazy, right? Is crypto only for drug dealers? Can you really wipe out your savings overnight? Let's debunk the biggest lies. In the next 15 minutes, you'll go from zero to crypto hero. No confusing jargon, just straight up clarity. Imagine your friend edits a Google Doc. Everyone sees changes instantly. That's blockchain. Now, picture a bank's Excel sheet. One server, one owner. That central point can crash or be hacked. Up next, we'll unlock the secret of blockchain and show you how it powers the crypto revolution.
Chapter 1. What is blockchain? Let's start simple. Think of blockchain as a super secure online notebook. Everyone can read it, but no one can erase or change a page by themselves. Each new page records a transaction, say, you sending Bitcoin. Once a page is full, it's locked in place and linked to the last page, forming a chain of pages. That's why it's called a blockchain. Easy, safe, and can't be tampered with. Here's the cool part. There's no boss. Unlike your bank's secret spreadsheet, blockchain is like Wikipedia. No CEO, no headquarters. Thousands of computers worldwide keep copies. If one crashes, no biggie. The rest keep going. Banks can freeze your account. Blockchain? Never. You're in control. But wait, is it safe? Let's say a hacker tries to change a page. Good luck. Each page is locked with unbreakable math. Even if they crack one, the other 10,000 copies of the notebook stay clean. It's like trying to rob a bank where every vault has the same combo, but only you know it. Quick question. What's safer? A bank server, or B, blockchain? If you guessed B, you're already smarter than 95% of people. High five. And blockchain isn't just crypto. Hospitals use it to track vaccines. Cities use it for voting. It's everywhere. The next time someone says, blockchain is just Bitcoin, you'll know they're stuck in 2017. Moving on. Chapter 2. Bitcoin and Cryptocurrencies Explained. Let's rewind to 2008. The world's economy is crashing. Banks are failing. People are furious. Then, out of nowhere, a mysterious person, or maybe a group, named Satoshi Nakamoto, publishes a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. No one knew who they were. Still don't. But their idea? Revolutionary. Imagine money that doesn't need banks, governments, or middlemen. Just math, code, and a global network of computers. That's Bitcoin. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Bitcoin is like email for cash. Back in the day, sending a letter across the world took weeks. Now you email a document in seconds. Bitcoin does the same for money. No banks, no delays, no $50 wire fees. Just tap, send, and boom, it's there. And here's the kicker. Every transaction is recorded on that blockchain notebook we talked about. Forever. Now how do new Bitcoins get made? Enter mining. No, not with pickaxes. Miners use powerful computers to solve crazy hard math puzzles, like Sudoku, but with trillion-dollar stakes. Solve it first? You add a block of transactions to the blockchain and earn Bitcoin as a reward. It's a digital gold rush, and it keeps the whole system honest. But don't worry, you don't need to mine to own Bitcoin. You can just buy it. Bitcoin started it all, but today there are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. Let's meet the squad. Ethereum isn't just money. It's a platform for apps that run on blockchain. Dogecoin, born as a joke about a Shiba Inu meme, now worth billions. Solana, the speed demon of crypto, processing transactions faster than Visa. And then there are stablecoins, like Tether, pegged to the dollar to avoid wild price swings. It's a zoo out there. Some coins change the world, others vanish overnight. Buyer beware. Now let's get real. Why would anyone use crypto? Imagine you're Crypto Carla, a freelancer in Texas working with a client in Tokyo. Instead of waiting 3 days for a bank transfer and losing $50 in fees, you get paid in Bitcoin in 10 minutes for pennies. Or picture a mom in Venezuela, using crypto to protect her savings from hyperinflation. This isn't just tech hype, it's solving real problems. But wait, isn't crypto risky? Oh yeah. Prices swing like a pendulum. One day you're up 100%, the next day Elon Musk tweets and, well, you get the idea. And scams, they're everywhere. That's why you gotta learn the rules before you play the game. Don't worry, we'll teach you how to dodge scams later. Time for a quick poll. Bitcoin or Ethereum? Bitcoin is the OG, the digital gold. Ethereum, the innovator, powering NFTs and metaverse real estate. Which would you pick? Drop your vote in the comments. We'll shout out the winner at the end. Up next, how to keep your crypto safer than a vault. Spoiler, it's not in your sock drawer. Stay tuned. Chapter 3. Wallets, keys, and staying safe, where we'll cover how to store your crypto safely and avoid the most common traps. First up, wallet types. Think of a hot wallet, like the cash you carry in your pocket. Quick and easy to access, but vulnerable if you lose it or someone steals it. These are apps on your phone or browser extensions, perfect for daily use, small trades, or checking, and balances on the go. On the flip side, a cold wallet is more like a Swiss vault hidden deep in the Alps. Offline devices such as USB sticks or hardware wallets that keep your coins locked away from internet threats. You might carry only a bit of crypto in your hot wallet for quick transactions and stash the bulk of your holdings in a cold wallet for long-term safety. Next, let's talk about private keys and seed phrases, the secret codes that open your digital vault. Your private key is a long, complex string of letters and numbers, like an ultra-secure password. Lose it, and you lose access to your funds forever. A seed phrase is a list of 12 or 24 simple words that back up your private key. It's friendlier to write down, but equally powerful. Store your seed phrase on paper, in a safe place, never online or in a photo. If someone gets hold of those words, they can sweep your entire wallet in seconds. Now, some security tips you can't afford to skip. Always download wallet software or apps directly from the official website or app store. Beware of phishing links in emails or social media ads claiming urgent wallet updates. A big red flag is any message that says, "Send us 0.1 BTC to unlock your account." No legitimate service will ever ask you to pay to regain access. Use two-factor authentication whenever possible, and consider keeping a minimal balance in your hot wallet, only what you're ready to spend. Let's bust a big myth. Many people believe crypto transactions are anonymous, but that's not true. Every transfer of Bitcoin or any major coin is recorded on a public ledger, visible to anyone. The IRS and other agencies use blockchain analysis tools to track wallet addresses and link them to real-world identities. If you think hiding transactions will keep you invisible, think again. Blockchain is more like a glass vault than a black box. Time for a quick quiz. Which is a scam? Option A, an email titled Elon Musk giveaway, claim 0.5 BTC now. Option B, a wallet verification email that asks you to confirm your seed phrase on a website. Both sound shady, but only one is a classic trick. Which do you think it is? Take a second to decide. Got your answer? The real scam is option B. No wallet provider will ever ask you to enter your seed phrase online. That's how scammers drain your account. Emails promising free coins are annoying, but usually just clickbait. Entering your seed phrase is how you get hacked. By now you know the difference between a hot wallet and a cold vault, why your private key and seed phrase are vital, and how to spot phishing and scam tactics. Stick to official downloads, keep most of your crypto offline, never share your seed phrase, and you'll be miles ahead of rookie mistakes. Next up, we'll explore the decentralized finance and NFT worlds, how they work, and what risks to watch. Boys, stay tuned! Chapter 4. DeFi and NFTs. Made simple, all right. Let's talk about two words you've probably heard but might still confuse you. DeFi and NFTs. Don't worry. By the end of this chapter, you'll be throwing these terms around like a pro. Let's start with DeFi. Imagine if banks just vanished. No more 3 a.m. overdraft fees. No waiting days for a check to clear. Instead, you lend your money directly to strangers online and earn 10% interest. That's DeFi, short for decentralized. Finance. It's like Airbnb for your cash. You set the rules. No middlemen, no suits and skyscrapers. Just you, your wallet, and the blockchain. Here's how it works. Let's say you've got $1,000 sitting in a savings account earning 0.1% interest. With DeFi, you can stake that money in a digital pool and earn 5%, 10%, even 20% a year. Sounds too good? Well, there's a catch. No FDIC insurance here. If the platform gets hacked or disappears, poof, your money's gone. Think of it like Kickstarter. Most projects deliver, but some vanish with your cash. That's why research is key. Don't worry, we'll teach you how to spot scams later. Now, NFTs. You've seen the Bored Apes, the pixel art selling for millions. But NFTs aren't just JPEGs for rich people. They're digital certificates of ownership. Imagine buying a concert ticket that also gives you backstage access forever. Or owning the deed to virtual land in the metaverse. That's the power of NFTs. Artists use them to sell directly to fans. Gamers use them to trade rare swords. Even Nike uses them to verify sneakers. It's not just art, it's proof you own something unique. But let's get real. The NFT space is chaotic. For every success story, there's a rug pull, where creators hype a project, take the money, and run. Imagine backing a Kickstarter for a cool gadget, and the creators ghost you with your cash. That's the dark side. Not all NFTs are scams, but not all are Mona Lisas either. Do your homework. Let's tie this together. DeFi is about cutting out banks to earn more. NFTs are about owning unique digital stuff. Both run on blockchain. Both are risky. Both could change the world, or crash and burn. But here's the thing, the internet sounded crazy in 1995 too. Remember when people thought online shopping was a fad? Now we buy toilet paper with one click. DeFi and NFTs might feel weird now, but they're building the future of money and ownership. Up next, we'll walk through exactly how to buy your first cryptocurrencies, step by step, so you can get in on all this action safely. Stick around. Chapter 5. How to buy crypto. By the end of this section, you'll know exactly how to purchase your first $10 of Bitcoin safely and confidently. First, let's talk about exchanges, the platforms where you'll buy and sell crypto. Two of the most popular options are Coinbase and Binance. Coinbase is known for its super friendly interface and strong customer support, making it perfect for beginners. You can link your bank account or debit card and literally buy crypto with a few clicks. However, Coinbase charges higher fees, usually around 1.49% per purchase. Binance, on the other hand, is famous for its low fees, often around 0.1%, and a huge selection of coins. The trade-off is that Binance's interface can feel a bit more complex if you're new to crypto. Decide what matters most to you: ease of use or the lowest cost. Next up is KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. You'll be asked to upload a photo of your ID and sometimes a selfie. That might feel like a privacy invasion, but here's why it matters. Exchanges use KYC to prevent money laundering, fraud, and to comply with government regulations. It's not just about taxes, it's about keeping the system safe and legal. Without completing KYC, you might be limited in how much crypto you can buy or withdraw. So, go ahead and verify your account early to unlock full access. Now for your first purchase tips. Rule number 1. Start small. You don't need to buy an entire Bitcoin, which can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Instead, begin with just $10 or $20. That way you learn the process without risking too much. Rule number 2. Avoid FOMO, or fear of missing out. Prices can swing wildly from day to day. Instead of chasing every pump, focus on consistent, disciplined investing. And rule number 3, never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. If someone asks for that secret code, it's a guaranteed scam. Keep your keys offline, in a safe place, and treat them like the PIN to your bank account. Let's bust a common myth. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. In fact, Bitcoin is divisible down to 8 decimal places. That means you can buy as little as $1 worth if you want. Buying small pieces of Bitcoin is a great way to dip your toes in without feeling overwhelmed by price tags. Here's a quick step-by-step for buying $10 of Bitcoin on Coinbase. Create an account and complete KYC with your ID. Link your bank account or debit card. Go to the Buy Crypto page, select Bitcoin, and enter $10. Review the fees and total, then confirm your purchase. Within minutes, your Bitcoin will appear in your Coinbase wallet. From there, you can hold it, send it, or even explore more advanced features like staking or transferring to a cold wallet for extra security. Buying crypto doesn't have to be scary. With the right exchange, verified account, and a small starter purchase, you'll be on your way to becoming a confident crypto user. Up next, we'll wrap up with a quick recap and powerful next steps to keep you moving forward. And that's a wrap. You've gone from zero to crypto hero, unlocked blockchain basics, mastered wallets and keys, explored DeFi and NFTs, and even bought your first Bitcoin. If you learned one thing today, smash that like button. Ready for more? Subscribe now for Part 2. How to turn $100 into $1,000 with crypto safely. Got burning questions? Comment your biggest crypto question below. I'll answer the top picks in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in Part 2.